Hi teachers, Module 6 Art Integrated Learning Portfolio Activity. First, let's take a look at the portfolio activity given to us. Plan an art integrated learning session on the subject and learning outcomes of your choice. My model portfolio here, let's start. Primary class EVS means of transport. Here, I wrote some outcomes about the concept. The teacher must first realize that the children will learn what kind of activities the children are involved in. We know how vehicles can be used to travel and transport goods and collected information of different types of vehicles. What are the different types of vehicles used as transit routes? Understand and display the information in the form of reports. Be thoroughly aware of the traffic rules and follow the rules well in school. Traffic rules are followed in the same way. These type of activities make the children working together in activities, acting responsibly, playing until they come, enhances self-discipline. Art form. In this concept, I take two art forms because I want to all multigrade students participate actively, so I can take simple art forms include this concept. Visual art, handmade, clay models using matchboxes and cool drink lids for vehicle models, vehicle pictures drawing, join the dots and fill the allotted coloring, cutting the old picture edges, along the edges draw the patterns following them, make paper crafts, doing card patterns with palm nuts, draw the pictures on sand. Performing art, showing off one's skills, songs, acting, dancing and so on. Sing the vehicle songs and act like a vehicle. Observe the vehicle sounds and act like a particular vehicle. Worksheet. These are some activities given to students make individually. Teacher will notice a change in students' learning as they behave. Discuss with your grandparents the names of previously used transportation tools and write them. Use different vehicles as a means of transportation on the table and display them. Collect pictures and write down the meaning of the signals for them. Collect songs related to vehicles and present them in the classroom. Art experience with the subject, in my opinion, is that if we step into the classroom with a lot of art, we will succeed. Firstly, what kind of art forms are needed to tell a child to understand a concept? If you can hear me first in the activities, I wrote, you will understand what artistry is in it. This is my request. Firstly, let's take a look about the activities. Students can connect to the lesson by performing familiar songs related to transportation. Example, here comes the train, blowing whistle, chuk chuk chuk. Next, horn of the bus blows, pom pom pom. Second activity, students should be identify the vehicle sounds and talk about them in monologue. In this activity, children describe the vehicle in his own views. Third activity on the playground. Firstly, teaches some instructions given to the students. Airways jumping like a bird, waterways act a boat ride, roadways act as a steering wheel turns. Make the children to standing in a circle, ask them to take a slip standing in the right place while making action and sound. Next activity, children can be grouped into three named air, water and road routes and ask the children write the vehicle names of routes and write 5 sentences about it. Auto, example, I am an auto, I am yellow in color, I have 3 wheels, I move on the road, I carry people one place to another place. Next activity, tell me what would happen if there were no vehicles. This activity students think with a kind of feeling. Last activity, make the students to sit in a circular manner and pass the ball one to another. If music stops, then ask the students take a slip from the ball. The vehicle can use it to transport. Humans act as a cart is running. Use to transport goods. However, weighing, walking, pretending to be carrying activity should continue in this way. In my opinion, it is not easy to educate our children of different levels with any art form. So it is the art of the teacher to provide different types of attention all the children. Thank you teacher. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.